Question. Consider all chords of a circle of a fixed length. What is the shape of formed by the midpoints of all these chords? एक सर्कल के इक्वल लेंथ वाले कई कार्ड हैं। इनके मिड पॉइंट्स को जोड़ने से जो शेप बनता है उसे हमें ज्ञात करना है। लेट ए बी let O is center of circle, chord AB, CD, EF, GH have equal lengths and their midpoints are M1, midpoint of this CD is M2, midpoint of EF, this point is M3, midpoint of GH is M4. Let O is center of circle. Chords AB, CD, EF, GH and so on are fixed length, means equal length. Their midpoints are M1, M2, M3, M4 and so on. Join center O to midpoint M1. Similarly, OM2, OM3, OM4. Since equal chords are equidistant from center, therefore OM1 equal to OM2 is equal to OM3 equal to OM4. And so on. Now taking O as center and taking OM1 as radius, if we draw a circle, then on this circle M2, M3, M4 and so on will lie on it. On this circle like this. This inner circle contains M1, M2, M3, M4 and so on. Therefore, shape of formed by the midpoints of all these chords is a circle. Which is concentric to given circle. Question. In a circle with center O, chords AB and CD are congruent. Chord AB is congruent to chord AC, means these two chords are equal. Explain why this statement is true. The center of the circle lies on the angle bisector of angle BAC. एंगल BAC के एंगल बाइसेक्टर पर सर्कल होगा। हमें ये दिखाना है। गिवन इन ए सर्कल विथ सेंटर O, chord AB is equal to AC. to show that center of the circle lies on the angle bisector of angle BSC. Why is this true? From center, draw perpendicular to AB and AC. Draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to AC. Join OA. We will prove that triangle OAM and OAN are congruent. Thereafter, these two angles are equal, means AO will be bisector. Then we can say that center of circle lies on the angle bisector of angle BSC. In triangle AOM and AON, दो ट्रायंगल को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करने के लिए तीन एलिमेंट इक्वल होना चाहिए, या तो तीनों साइड, या साइड, या एंगल या RHS. एंगल OMA इज इक्वल टू एंगल ONA बाय कंस्ट्रक्शन. इज 90 डिग्री. Number 2, OM is equal to ON. Equal chords are equidistant from center. Third, OA is equal to OA, common. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. Triangle AOM and triangle AON by RHS. Therefore, angle OAM equal to angle OAN. Say PCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Therefore, AO is angle bisector of angle BAC. Thus, center O lies on angle bisector of angle BAC. Proved. Question. Two parallel chords of lengths 10 cm and 24 cm are on the same side of the center of circle. सर्कल के सेंटर से एक ही साइड में दो पैरेलल कार्ड्स हैं, उनकी लंबाइयाँ 10 और 24 सेंटीमीटर हैं. छोटे वाले कार्ड का लंबाई 10 सेंटीमीटर, बड़े वाले कार्ड की लंबाई 24 सेंटीमीटर, दोनों सेंटर के एक ही साइड में है. सेंटर को O मान लिया. लेट सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल इज O. स्मॉलर कार्ड AB एंड ग्रेटर कार्ड CD. CD इक्वल टू 24. AB is equal to 10 centimeter. Distance between chord. These points are foot of perpendicular from center to chords. They will be also midpoint of chord AB and CD. Given two chords AB and CD are parallel, that is AB is parallel to CD and their length is AB is equal to 10, CD is equal to 24 centimeter. Distance between chords MN is 7 centimeter. OM is perpendicular to AB, ON is perpendicular to CD. Then distance between chords MN is equal to 7 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Join OA, OC, both are radius. Procedure or method. Join OA and OC. Then ON is also perpendicular to CD as AB is parallel to CD. Since perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord, therefore M and N are midpoints of chord AB and CD. The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord of circle bisect the chord, therefore M is midpoint of AB and N is midpoint of CD. Therefore AM is equal to BM is equal to half of AB is equal to half of 10 is equal to 5. Similarly, N is midpoint of CD. Therefore, Cn is equal to Dn is equal to half of CD. CD की लंबाई है 24 इक्वल टू 12 cm. AM 5 cm है और CN 12 cm है सेंटीमीटर. OA is radius of circle. In right triangle OMA by Pythagoras theorem, OA square is equal to OM square plus AM square. Hypotenuse OA square equal to sum of squares of other two sides OM square plus AM square. Let ON is x, then OM is equal to x plus 7. OM is equal to ON plus MN, x plus 7. ON को x मान लिया तो OM x plus 7 हो जाएगा. OM x plus 7 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस AM 5 सेंटीमीटर. कंटिन्यूड. OA square equal to x plus 7 whole square plus 5 square. X square plus 2 into x into 7. 14x plus 7 square 49. Plus the square of 5 is 25. Or OA square is equal to x square plus 14x plus 74, number 1. Similarly, in right triangle ONC by Pythagoras theorem, OC square is equal to ON square plus NC square. OA is hypotenuse, so OC square hypotenuse square equal to sum of squares of other two sides. OC is equal to OA रेडियस, OC के बदले में OA लिख सकते हैं, OA स्क्वायर, बिकॉज OA is equal to OC is equal to radii of some circle. ON स्क्वायर x स्क्वायर, ON को x माना गया है यहाँ पर, प्लस NC इज 12, x square plus 144, number 2. From 1 and 2, left hand sides are equal, therefore right hand side will be also equal. X square plus 14x plus 74 is equal to x square plus 144. दोनों साइड से एक्स स्क्वायर स्क्वायर कैंसिल, 14x इक्वल टू 144 माइनस 74 इज इक्वल टू 70, x इक्वल टू 70 अपॉन 14 इज इक्वल टू 5. पुटिंग दिस वैल्यू ऑफ x in equation 1 or 2, OA square equal to x square 5 square plus 144 is equal to 25 plus 144 is equal to 169. Radius equal to square root of 169, 13. Answer OA is equal to 13. Answer radius equal to 13 centimeter.